Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back if you've been around, and thanks for joining us if you're new to check this out. Today we have a Panini Kids Crate box.
We got it from Buffalo.
Yeah, we went on a trip to Buffalo and we went to Dave and Adam's card shop, which is a fairly big card shop. They have everything you want if you love cards. And they suggested we pick this up, and I open it with my daughter. So I've never even seen it. I haven't watched a video of these being opened up yet, so we're kind of just going to wing it.
And so this box has lots of different sports on it. It's
Yeah.
just not like one like hockey or something. It's lots of different ones.
Should all be Panini stuff. Looks like we got some football, some collegiate basketball, some English Premier League soccer. What else? Some Mosaic basketball, some UFC. I've never opened UFC. I'm not really a big fan of UFC.
What's UFC?
It's Ultimate Fighting Championship, I believe.
Well, can I have these cards?
Mixed martial arts where they... All right, let's open this thing up.
I can do it.
Here, let me crack the seals.
Aw, I want to do it.
They had a few different versions of this box. I guess they call it a series. This is Series 5. Let's zoom in a bit here for the actual cards.
Whoa!
All right, so this is looks like we're getting some kind of binder.
Ooh.
Let me zoom back out again here. Collector's rookie card binder. So it's just a bunch of sleeves, which is
Can I have that?
kind of neat. Yeah, you can put your cards in here.
Thanks.
What's this here? This is just like a little Panini bag, I guess, for carrying your binder and other cards and stuff.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sunglasses.
Oh, sunglasses too.
Can I have them? I need some more sunglasses.
Yeah, Panini sunglasses.
Woo!
So
Sunglasses.
you see kids going around with those, you know they picked up one of these kits.
Oh my god, can I have that?
Okay, look, there's a Panini fidget spinner.
Look.
Oh, this is kind of neat, a rated rookie sticker. It's a little bent, but put that off to the side here. Oh, a Kaboom sticker. Kaboom would be nice.
Okay, first let's start off with soccer.
Okay, so they're like little mini cereal boxes is what they're calling them.
Yeah.
And I can see what they mean now.
Oh, they're wrestling.
Okay, so there's... Maybe I'll get the box out of the way for now.
Push that out the way.
Alright, hold on. Okay, so this is what they mean by cereal boxes. Alright, so we got a
Let's start off
Prizm
with
Draft Picks 2021. There's the Premier League 21-22. We got a blaster of UFC 2022.
Would we get any girls or are they all boys?
There are females in the
Will
UFC. Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should get some women. Rookies and stars. When do we start with that? That's 2021.
Let me just get this.
Rookies and stars. Let me zoom in a bit here. Okay, did you give it a good...
I got it.
Alright, let's open these. Alright. Okay,
Okay, I can get this open.
Alright, you want me to just open it here?
No.
Oh, I see a Tom Brady. Okay, I think I might actually need your help. Just snip across the top there for me. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Rookies and stars. Jonathan Taylor, Calvin Ridley. Chris Godwin. There's a Patrick Mahomes. That's a nice looking card.
How come some are upside down?
It's just the way they pack them in.
Oh, these sunglasses are good.
There's an Airborne Mayfield, a Mac Jones, Stellar Rookies.
Oh, that one's cool.
Yeah, that's a draft card of Kadarius Toney. Jordan Poyer, Rookies and Stars. Stokes. Najee Harris rookie card.
Is he a good player?
Yeah, a Caleb Farley.
A Caleb Farley?
Farley, not Fartley.
Ah.
And last but not least, we have an airborne Tom Brady card.
I've heard of him before.
You've heard of Tom Brady?
Yeah.
You should have heard of him.
They're going about him at school, and like Ronaldo and Messi.
Yeah, Ronaldo, Messi, Brady, they're all considered the GOAT. Do you know what the GOAT stands for?
No.
Greatest of all time.
Oh, can I open it?
All right, we're opening. Let's go to 2021 Mosaic basketball. Looks like there's 25 cards in there.
That's nice.
Luka Doncic on the cereal box. Now, why did we pick this series over others? Do you remember what the man said? I don't really. I was kind of like...
Wait, why? Because we got this blue and orange thing.
Yeah, but why this one over the series 1, 2, 3, and 4?
Well, I was playing the video game, but like...
Yeah, video...
There's like more good cards in here. The other ones are sort of crappy and stuff.
Okay, so the man told you that this was the better box to buy.
Yeah, like he would say...
The salesperson.
Yeah, he said, like, if I was to get one, I would probably get the blue and orange one, like we have right over here. Okay,
so we got our Mosaic cards here. Again, these were purchased at Dave and Adams. We were down visiting the Buffalo area. I believe I'm not sure if Dave and Adams is exclusive to New York or not, but if you're in the area and you love cards...
That's Chrome.
Yeah, these are Chrome cards. Oh, these are stick together. That's why it looks a little thick. Chrome cards have a tendency to stick together. It's a Jordan Clarkson. Serge Ibaka, former Raptor. Alex Caruso. Kawhi Leonard. Damian Lillard. There's a LaMelo Ball rookie card. That's a nice card.
So is he a good player?
Yeah, there's a Garnett. He's injured now, but should be back soon. Parallels here. We had a regular Caruso and Oladipo. There's a nice Charles Barkley card. A Peyton Pritchard introductions. Doncic Men of Mastery. These are not numbered.
How come he's in a circle?
That's just the insert they've made. There's the league MVP, Joel Embiid. And a Doncic to end it. That's what those look like. Okay, moving on.
Now we go to 25. 2021.
Let's do some soccer.
Yeah.
Or football, as it's known in most of the world. All right, 25 cards. Again, they'll be in a cello pack, I take it.
What's a cello pack?
Just that plastic clear packaging, except for these. These will be in packs. Cereal box exclusive Prizms. Let's see if we find an exclusive Prizm.
Is there cereal in it?
No cereal. But if you wanted to, I guess you could put some cereal in there.
Why is it called cereal?
Because they look like little cereal boxes. You know, if you go camping or something, people buy the little mini cereal boxes on a trip. All right. Don't often rip soccer, but I have. Let's see, there's a Harvey Elliott rookie card. That's Liverpool.
Will there be girls in this pack?
No, but there is a girls' English Premier League. Let's see if I recognize that. I'm not a big soccer follower. There's Richarlison. It's Arsenal. It looks like isn't that a Chelsea symbol below?
What's a Chelsea symbol?
Oh, sorry, no, that's the Premier League symbol.
Well, what is a Chelsea
The lion.
Symbol? A lion?
The lion is the Premier League symbol.
What's That's
N'Golo
Chelsea.
Kante. This is Chelsea's team here. So that blue crest kind of looked like the line for a second there. They're kind of similar. I don't see... Oh, here's a Conor Gallagher.
Is he good?
Prizm. So the Prizms are to the back here, and a fireworks card of Ruben Neves. That's Wolverhampton. All right, nothing too crazy there. All right, let's do the...
I want to do it.
Okay, come on, you got to keep up with me here. Panini Prizm Draft Picks 2021. Let's see, Cade Cunningham. Evan Mobley. Good crop of rookies. All right, you ready to cut open the pack?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cut please.
Boxes?
Yeah, we can keep the cereal boxes. All right, starting us off, Shaquille O'Neal and his LSU. Michael Porter Jr. That's a Steph Curry, Davidson College, Kai Jones, Ben Simmons, JT Thor. There's an Allen Iverson, Georgetown. There's a nice card, a Cade Cunningham rookie card. It's a good one. Devin Booker with Kentucky.
There's a lot of black people.
Oh, there's a Franz Wagner, Michigan.
There's a lot of black people.
Yes, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong.
Klay Thompson looking very young. There's a Mac McClung. If you watch this year's dunk contest, you'll know that name. JJ Redick, Westbrook, Hardaway. There's another Shaquille O'Neal parallel there. Another Michael Porter Jr. parallel. And
isn't there two of them?
Kai Jones. Okay, moving on to our last item in the box. It is Don Russ 2022 UFC. This looks like the kind of blaster you probably buy off the shelves in Walmart or Target, I'm guessing. More what we're used to, right? So all the packs, so that's what we're kind of looking for here. Some parallels. Signatures.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh, don't go yet. Let's just finish this, and you can say goodbye to everyone and thank them for taking the time to watch. Now let's come and have a look at this. I'm familiar with a few names. I don't follow UFC at all.
I'm just gonna say goodbye now.
No, stick around. Come on.
I wanna go.
Do you know any of these people? There's Joanne Wood.
Ooh.
Vivian Araújo, Dominic Reyes. Let's see. I don't recognize
He's upside down.
Alex Morono. Oh, there's Conor McGregor. I've heard of him.
It looks like he's wearing flippers a bit there.
Chase Hooper. Another Chase Hooper, regular
He's as
card
thin
parallel.
as a stick.
Yeah, he is thin. They have different categories of fighters, right? Like in boxing.
Mm.
Ivanov and Kevin Holland. Again, thanks for checking us out. We did pick up a few other items while we were at Dave and Adams in the Buffalo area. Stay tuned for those videos. I just bought some stuff that was on sale, all retail stuff. I didn't shell out for any hobby stuff, but man, do they have it all. If you love cards, that place is like the Mecca. Here's a nice Octagon Marvels card, Max Holloway. A Crunch Time, Usman, I've heard of him. Jessica I. Alexis Davis, Michelle Watterson, and Macy Chason. All right. Chang Sung Jung. There's a nice rated rookie. Li Jinglang. Duos card. Well, there's a nice, looks like some kind of orange hollow. It looks like almost with that pattern. All right, 3 packs left. So yeah, this has been a fun little product they have going on here. I have seen it in other hobby shops before, so yeah, well worth it. It's fun to do with your kids, your child. Mine has stepped out on us, but maybe she'll be back. There's Brock Lesnar. I know him. He was a wrestler. Man, he's huge.
When you mean huge, do you mean fat or tall?
When I say huge, I mean just big. Muscles. There's George St. Pierre. He was he had a long run in UFC. Ed Herman. All right, 2 more packs. Okay, I've heard of him. Shimaev. If I'm saying that right. Anderson Silva. I've heard of him. Again, I apologize. I don't watch this at all. I just hear the odd name. People I know who do follow it, I just often hear them talking, and there's a Craftsman insert. PJ Penn, Randy Costa, Barboza, Torres, and Royval. All right, last pack. Last pack. Nunez. Sterling. Craftsman of Max Holloway. Looks like I don't know, would that be a pink Usman? Connor Nelson. Jeremy Stevens, Diego Ferreira, Johnny Walker, Nina Nunez, and Matt Brown. All right, so there you have it. That's a kids crate for you. Some nice stuff. Nothing too crazy, but it was fun. All right, again, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch. See you at the next one. Take care.